usually a delightful time for gardening in the UK, with warmer weather and longer days. It's the ideal time to plant, with the risk of frost diminishing as the month progresses. Here are some plants for planting and gardening tasks for the UK in May. Vegetables. Tomatoes. Plant tomato seedlings in greenhouses, raised beds and containers. Choose from various tomato varieties such as cherry, salad or heirloom to suit your needs. Peppers and chilies. Plant pepper and chili pepper seedlings in a sunny spot or containers. Courgettes and squash. Sow courgette and squash seeds in containers, raised beds or directly into the garden. They thrive in warm weather. Sweet corn. Plant sweet corn in blocks for improved chances of pollination. This crop loves the warmer conditions of May. Beans. Sow French, runner and other types of beans now for a summer crop. Cucumbers. Plant cucumber seedlings in greenhouses, containers or in well-drained garden soil. Herbs. Basil, coriander and oregano. Plant herbs like basil, coriander and oregano in pots, containers or directly in the garden. Flowers. Annual flowers. Plant a wide array of annual flowers such as petunias, marigolds and sunflowers for vibrant summer colour and to help encourage pollinators. Perennials. Continue planting perennial flowers and shrubs to beautify your garden while the ground is still moist from the spring rains. Dahlias. If you didn't plant dahlias in April, May is a great time to do so for summer and autumn blooms. Bulbs. Gladioli and lilies. Plant gladioli and lilies for striking summer and early autumn displays. Calla lilies. May is a suitable time to plant calla lilies for their unique and elegant flowers. Fruit trees and bushes. Raspberries and blackberries. Plant new raspberry canes and blackberry bushes. Well-drained soil is essential. Strawberries. If you didn't manage to plant strawberries in April, May is the last chance for this growing season. Trees and shrubs. Ornamental trees and shrubs. Plant ornamental trees and shrubs to enhance your landscape. General garden tasks. Weed control. Continue managing weeds to keep your garden looking its best. Mulching. Apply mulch to help conserve moisture, suppress weed growth and insulate plant roots. Watering. Ensure that plants receive adequate moisture, especially during dry spells. Pruning. Prune spring flowering shrubs after they finish blooming. Supports and trellises. Install supports and trellises for climbing plants to grow and thrive. Lawn care. Maintain your lawn by continuing tasks such as mowing, edging, and feeding. May, with its 2 bank holidays, is a terrific month for planting and spending time in your growing space. As we transition from spring to summer, tailor your planting to your local climate and weather conditions and provide proper care and attention to your plants as they grow and flourish.